Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about Convexity, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
All right, I have two positions on for the 25th, and I think it's like a Batman, and this is what they are. One has a center of 6160, so that sounds like it's pretty close, huh? Although these are ES prices, so it's still a little ways away from it. Let's see where the SPX is. Yeah, so I'm very close. So I have one centered at 5700 and the other one's centered at 6160. The SPX right now is at 6081, so it's sitting right at the edge of the lower call of this butterfly. Hopefully by tomorrow, I don't know what it's valued right now. It probably has some value to it, right? Looks like it does. Looks like it's worth about $800. Isn't that what I'm reading?
Do you have a standing order in the market now to take it off at a point?
No, I forgot exactly where it was. So I just thought, I look at it usually after I get out of these meetings or during these meetings to see where I'm at. Good thing I looked at it. I got $800 gain. I should probably take it, huh?
I'm not telling anybody what to do in my lifetime. No.
Coach, do you have to double that 160?
That's true. I would have to double that.
Yeah, there are two contracts.
It's a two position thing, so it's double everything.
But it's quadruple on the shorts.
You're like 670 times 2.
990 times 2 minus 160 times 4 equals 1340. So that's not bad, $1,340. And what did that cost me to get in? This is the entry price, I believe, right here. I think this is the entry price right there. So that's 0.86 minus 0.18 plus 0.05. So it cost me 70 cents or 74 cents, 75 cents. We'll call it 70 cents. I think it was 70 cents. So I paid $70 and I'm up $1,340.
Sweet. 70 times 2.
Correct. $140. Sorry. It's a 10Xer, 10 bagger.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
We're not worthy, Ernie. We're not worthy.
So when you put that on, you were searching for that price where there was a big gap between one level and the next, and that was your convexity point.
Exactly. Now, if it moves higher, I could conceivably make way more because it's a 50 wide. If it ended up at the short strikes, I could make myself over $9,000.
But that's always a thing that gets me. I have left at least maybe 10 or 20 almost pin trades and got out too soon. That's the part that's got me really frustrated.
Yeah, but if you made profit, you still made profit.
No, I agree. And that's what I'm telling myself. And I'm putting the mentholatum on my body for that.
I'm right there with you. That is a mental dilemma at times, but you got to look at the positive side and be happy with that.
So my bet is that if this goes up another 80 points by tomorrow and then closes there, this trade would be worth $9,860.
And you paid only?
So how much? No, it'd be a little bit less than that. It'd be $9,700 and something dollars, whatever it is.
So what was the debit?
70 cents.
And how many days when you did
I
it?
put this on Friday.
Friday is 5 days?
Yeah, I guess that would be 5 days. Yeah, because it expires tomorrow, Wednesday.
Do you count the non-trading days?
Yeah.
And it was 70.
70 cents or $70.
I could do that.
So I'm already up 10 times. I could be up how much? So if it goes up to $9.30. So there's a potential of making 70 times my money. All I'm doing is I'm putting on a trade that's 5 days out, and I'm trying to find the best possible price for that, where the price all of a sudden drops at a sharp. So when I was first looking at it, I was looking at prices 5 days out. I saw prices for $1.50, $1.40, $1.30. Then all of a sudden it dropped to 70 cents. That's where I took it. I was looking for that big drop.
And then it suddenly became 70 cents.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.